So this is my weekly analysis, but before I go into it, first I want to review all the trade that took this week. Someone on YouTube asked for it. His name is John. So I should review all the trade that took this week and how they played out. So I want to do it for him. After the review, then I will do my weekly analysis and explain to you guys what I'll be looking at for Monday. So I will analyze gold, Euro USD, and GBP USD. So this review, I will do it via my Telegram channel because if I try to play all these videos, this video might be too long. So let me see how I can manage and show it. But before we start, guys, if you are getting value for what I'm doing here, guys, subscribe to my channel and like this video. That is the only way you can give back to me. If you are getting value for what I'm doing here, okay, so there is no way you can give back to me again for what I'm doing for you here if you are getting value. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. I believe that's the only thing you can give back to me if you are getting value for what I'm doing. So I appreciate that, guys. So let me go into it. So this is the first video I posted last week, which is on 10. I think it was on 10, yeah. So this is the video here. I know some people watched the video already. So this is the video. This is my analysis I posted. You can see that it's on 11 and to 15. So let's see. Oh, it's taking me to YouTube. Oh God. This will take time. It will definitely gonna take time. This video is gonna be long, so I don't want it. And my network, I don't know what's wrong with network this morning. It's not that fast. So this video, if I'm going to do this in this way, this video is going to be too long. So guys, no, I'm not going to do it this way. So I'm going to only explain to you guys from this Telegram channel because I posted everything here as well. So on this video, I explained that gold is going to be buy, but you have to on Monday, but you have to look for a setup, which it didn't happen. And this is my analysis on Tuesday, which I later call out Euro USD and GBP USD on this analysis that is going to be sell. So, and this is Euro GBP USD, sorry, Euro USD when the sale confirmed. I posted it here, Euro USD, I wrote it there, and this is GBP USD as well. When his own sale confirmed, I posted it as well. So this is GBP USD and Euro USD. This is on Tuesday. So on that Tuesday they have CPI news, and I know that the CPI news will be sell. That's why I didn't bother to close it. And the reason why I stopped predicting news is because of some people here don't know how to take the news. Because if I predict that CPI news is going to be sell, some people just jump into sell, and when you give them profits, they will not want to take it. They might think that sale is going to draw forever, and it will reject back and take them out. They will say that the prediction didn't work. The prediction worked, guys. It's just that you didn't take your profit. You just want to be greedy. Because I didn't tell you that it's going to drop all day. No. It's news. We should all know that news do drop and reject. So that's why I stopped predicting news. But I know that this news is going to be sell. So this is the outcome when they release the news. A fly down and GBP USD hit 1 to 2, then reject. So GBP USD hit 1 to 2 and reject. Then Euro USD hits almost 1 to 2. Look at our TP here and look at where it rejected. It hit 1 to 2. And you can see my analysis before then. I told you guys it's ranging, but when it breaks, well, it's inside the video. So if you watch the video, definitely you know what I'm talking about. So he rejected almost 1 to 2 and rejected, then flash out and hit the stop loss. Already this thing hit almost one to two, so there is no way that you will leave it and for you to come back to take out your stop loss. But if you do, okay, it means that you didn't manage your trade. So at the end of the day, GBP USD later come back as GBP USD hits 1 to 2. So if you lost on that trade, definitely you will recover it from GBP USD. So this is the next day. I still call out, I still predict that gold is going to be sell and GBP USD is going to be sell as well. So look at when I call out the gold signal here, it has not done anything. This is when it confirmed. You guys can see. So the first trade I took was GBP USD and Euro USD, which they played out well. So the second trade on Tuesday or Wednesday, I think it was good. And okay, it was on Thursday. So look at the news they had because I know that this is going to be sell as well. So this is the gold rate. This one it was in profit, and this is the final outcome for the gold trade. Okay, before then, I call out GBP trade here because I also pray that GBP is going to be sell. So this is GBP trade when it was in profit. If you watch the video, you will see the analysis. So this is when gold was in profit, and this is when GBP is about to hit our TP, and this is gold as well. When gold is hitting 1 to 1 plus, and this is the GBP when they hit our TP. So this is 2 times GBP hit TP this week. This second GBP I'm taking this week that hit TP, and this is gold when it's about to hit the TP. I think that's all the trade I took this week, John. So you can see that I took the first trade was GBP USD and Euro USD, which GBP USD hit TP, and the Euro USD almost hit TP before it rejects. It hits over 1 to 1 plus, and the other trade is gold, which we see where it is, and the other trade GBP USD hit TP. So I took 4 trades this week, and the 4 trade did well. None of them just hit SL. No, the 4 trade did pretty good. The 4 trades I took this week, they did well. So this is the gold where I took the gold on. I always clean up my charts, but I don't like seeing it messy. So I have removed all the mark out and the what I as in all the mark. Let me use the word all the thing I marked out, clean it up. But I don't like my chart to be messy. So this is when I with the level that I took the trade. My network is messed up, man. This is not popping up. But this is the level that I took the trade. I entered the sell here, and stop loss was somewhere here, and it dropped here. So when it was almost giving us 1 to 2, they rejected back almost our entry point. I think the network is back. So this is the SL, and this is the entry, and you can see that it get to 1 to 1.6%. This is the 1 to 2 that I'm targeting level here. So it get to 1 to it's out again. So I'm already out of the gold, but if you are still in profit because you only went back to our entry and drop again. So if you are still holding the gold, you are still in profit. But I already closed out of the trade. So this week was a good one for me. This network is messing me up. My network is not good, guys. I don't know what's wrong with network this morning. Please let me switch to another network. I have other networks, so let me switch to another one because this one is really messing me up. Okay. I'm switching to another network, guys. This network is messing me up. I think the network is back. So this is the current analysis I did. Okay, if you this is 4 hours time frame. This is on GBP USD. I think I didn't clean GBP USD. I did. I cleaned it out. So it's no longer here. So I think I left Euro USD unclaimed. Yeah, Euro USD is still here. This is the first analysis I did. I think it was 11th, which is last week Monday. Or let me not go back to this. Let's look at the new stuff that is happening. So this is the what I'm looking at for this coming week. This is for GBP. This is for Euro USD. My new analysis for coming for as next week. So this is where this market closed yesterday, and the analysis I did uh, last week. I told you guys that I'm expecting Euro USD to reject back from here and buy. You can see which it did. If you watch my previous analysis, I said it is coming back into this boss and it will reject from here and buy, which if any of you guys pay attention, you guys will catch this trade because you can see what it did here. This network. Guys, I'm switching to another network. 1 minute. This network is messing me up. So it did reject from here, and see what it did. It went up. Then this is the second level that I was also explaining to you guys that is going to reject again. It's almost at this level. It's almost at the zone. So it might not touch it, but you can see that it's already rejecting from this shadow. You see what it is. It's already rejecting from this shadow, but it didn't touch the body exactly, but it's already rejecting from this shadow. So this is on 15 minutes time frame. Oh, this network, God. This network is affecting me. Ah, I don't know what's wrong with them today. Okay, it's up back. So this is on 15 minutes when it hits that zone. This is on it. This is it on 15 minutes time frame. So I always told you guys to look out for the bottom if you want to buy, or look out for head and shoulder, or as in what is it go bullish engulfing. So you can see the bottom here, and you can see when you take out the neckline. Then if you take a buy from here, I didn't post this trade because ever I don't trade GBP, I don't trade Euro USD on my live account. I only analyze it. But I did analysis on my video. You can see that it played out 1 to 2 if you took the trade, or if you pay attention to my analysis, because it came back to the zone and rejected. So and now it's coming back to this zone. So this is what I'm looking at for this coming week, this 15 minutes time frame. And it's already playing out. You can see there is a double bottom here, and you take out the neckline. So even if you took this trade, you would have made money on Friday, or I think it started on Thursday. You would even gone over 1 to 2, even getting to 1 to 4. So there is a double bottom here, and you take out the neckline, reject, boom. So this trade already started playing out. So if you are looking at 1 hour time frame, so I see there is more potential that this trade will still go up, but something like this might happen. If you miss that 15 minutes entry, now you can take these 4 hours at this from this daily time frame. But I'm expecting this Euro USD to come back to this zone. Yeah, it took out this level. Some people might already entered buy from here, but I'm expecting it to come back here again, which taking out this low. And if taking out this low, it will take out people that already bought it that's into the market. It will take them out here, which it will reject back, and maybe your entry will be on this level. I don't know what it will do before getting to this zone, but if it just massively drop, then let this level be your entry. Allow it to come back on this hourly time frame. Allow it to come back and take out this high and reject, then here will be your entry. That's the move I'm expecting this coming week on Euro USD. So there will be your entry, and let your stop loss maybe be somewhere, but this this is 1 hour time frame. Let your stop loss be below here, or if you want to be in a safe side, you can also use this level as stop loss and target your 122, which is somewhere here, which is the high. Definitely I know that it will get to it. Or at the same time, it might not take out this low again, but if they are taking out this high on Monday, it might continue going up. Then you can still buy it on Monday, but I'm expecting to come back to take out this low, because this zone now, they call it will be the dollar. Some people call it dollar, and some people call it the liquidity. So it might come down to take out the liquidity, to take out this sorry guys, low, which is the liquidity, which is where people stop loss are before moving up, or it might keep moving up without taking it up. But this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting to come down, take it out, then come up before you enter the trade. Or it's already taken out this support here as resistance here, and this resistance now is turning to support, and you can see that it's ranging at that zone. It might keep moving up, and already it's forming head and shoulder here, which is, you can see this is the shoulder, this is the head, this is the shoulder. So I don't know whether this shoulder will hold, and it might hold, because at this shoulder you can see this bullish engulfing here on this 1 hour time frame. There's a bullish engulfing here. So I believe that this bullish engulfing here, let me zoom this out. I don't know whether you guys are seeing it. There's already bullish engulfing here, and it's already testing the bullish engulfing. So I believe that this buy might continue from here to the upside. But if they decide to take out this liquidity, that's going to come back to test this zone. So this is what I'm expecting. If you are not in yet, it might take out this liquidity and reject from here before buying, or it might start from here buying. So this is what I'm expecting from this sorry guys, from this Euro USD. And again, the another level I'm looking at that it might start selling will be here. That's another scenario there, that maybe if the buy refuse to continue, so I'm expecting Euro USD to also start selling, because you know that resistance can turn to support, and support can turn to resistance. So before, we are looking at this support, which it respected here. You expected this support here and move up. Now it came back to take it out. So this support now is turning to resistance. So I'm expecting to come back to this zone again and drop. So this scenario can still play out. Come back here and give you the bottom, double top and drop. So expect to see something like this as well on Monday. It will come back to this zone and reject, drop down, So if I go back to that hourly time frame, so on this 1 hour time frame, if you take this trade here, before you get to this zone, definitely it will give you 1-to-1 plus. So to be the safe side, close your trade or book some profit. Then if the move continue, you know that okay, you will still be into the trade to make money. And if you book some profit here, if you draw back, you know that okay, you book some profit, you made some money out of the trade. So there is a way you can still do this and still be profitable. Take the buy from here. Then if you get to here, if it's not giving you 1-to-2 yet, if you give 1-to-1, you can close or you book some profit. Or if you drop back to here to take out this liquidity, then look for a buy opportunity here and still target this Zen zone. Definitely from here to here, it will give you 1-to-2. So this is what I'm looking at for on Euro USD this coming week. So this is GBP USD and my network again. Okay, it's off. So this is the analysis I did. The analysis I did on GBP USD, it was yesterday. We're expecting it to come back to this zone and sell, but it didn't. It didn't come back to this zone and it dropped the sell. So I'm deleting this. So now, if you watch I deleted the previous analysis, my weekly analysis that I did last week. I think I marked it out. So this is another zone I'm looking at, which is already there. This zone I was looking at, I marked it out, but I deleted it. So it's already at that zone. It's already at that zone. So this is 1 hour time frame. The network is not nice. So it's already at that zone. So this is what I'm expecting. This is what I'm expecting GPUs to do on this 1 hour time frame. I'm expecting to go back and you can see what it's doing here. It took out this low. So I'm expecting to go back and take out this high and boom. This is what I'm expecting it to do, to move up from this zone, take out this level and reject and move up. And on 15 minutes time frame, I'm also expecting it to drop back. So if you see, sorry guys, so if you see any buy opportunity from here, if you take the buy, guy, be careful of this zone. Yeah, if you take the buy from somewhere here next week Monday, be careful of this zone. So when you get into this zone, it should be your point, as it should be your exit point. So if gold on Monday reject and take out somewhere this high or give you double bottom somewhere here, we give you double bottom somewhere here, and any buy you take from this zone, always make sure that you take some profit from this high or from this zone. Make sure you take your profit from here or from this zone, because all this resistance now, all this support zone you are seeing here, they are turning to resistance. So it might move to here and respect and keep dropping. If this downtrend is going to continue, definitely it will reject from all these zones, which is all the support now, they are turning to resistance. So any buy you are taking from here, make sure your exit point will be somewhere here, guys. Because I wanted to take a sell yesterday, but it didn't get the entrance. I want to take a sell before it keep dropping. And now it's into the zone I'm looking at to buy. So if I'm taking the buy from here, all this zone will be my exit level where I will take my take profit, because I know that this resistance might drop it down back low. So, but also watch out my analysis on Monday, because when market open on Monday, if I see more development, if I see more data to analyze it more, I will also analyze it and post it on my Telegram channel. So join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description of this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. So guys, this is my analysis on gold. This is my analysis on gold. So this is 4 hours on gold. This network is messing me up. So this is 4 hours on gold. So you can see that obvious gold is ranging. You can see that it came to here, went back, come back to here, and it didn't get to this level, but here it's coming back here again. You guys can see clearly what gold is doing. It's simple. It's forming triangle. It's very simple to indicate. It's forming triangle. You can see this is what it's doing. It's forming triangle, guys. Pure triangle. That's what gold is forming here. Triangle. Triangle. So now, where is it going to break up or down? We don't know. So gold is kind of trendless for now. It's forming triangle. So this is what I'm expecting gold to do. I'm having two scenarios here. I'm expecting gold to drop from here and take out this low. Well, this is the low. If you take out this low here, if you take out this low, and I will expect to come back into this zone, then drop. Let me mark it well. So I'm expecting gold to do this from here and take out this low to somewhere here, then reject back on this trend line, or this one, that's the zone, reject back to it and drop. Then on daily time frame, I think this is another level that we'll be looking at. This is a daily level. Daily level will be somewhere here, so we'll be targeting somewhere here or somewhere here. Sorry guys. So this is what I'm expecting it to do, and if so, when it broke and come back to retest, so we look for entry somewhere here, and we target somewhere here on smaller time frame. We look for entry somewhere here. So let me mark it out. Our entry will be somewhere here. This is where we look for entry on smaller time frame. Okay, this is 15-minute time frame. So if we break down, then come into this zone again, you can see that already is ranging there. You can see what it's doing here. So come back into this zone here, then you look for entry. The entry is simple. Look for double top. If you break the neckline, you sell. Or look for head and shoulder, or bearish engulfing. There is a different entry you can use to enter this trade when you get to this zone, guys. So this is another scenario I'm looking at for here. So this is the 4 hours time frame. I'm going back to the 4 hours time frame. So this is another scenario I'm looking at for here, because nobody really know where it might go. So now there is a triangle here. So I'm also expecting it to do this. Reject from here and move up and take out this high. If we take out this high, then let it come back to this zone again. Then we look for buy from here, the same thing, look for entry from this zone. But I'm just kind of explaining this. Nobody really know how forex market moves, but it will not look exactly what I'm doing here, but it will be similar. So if you take out somewhere here, then before then, definitely we have much data to see more support and more resistance. So from there, we know the exact level we are going to take the buy from. But it will definitely look similar like this, or if you follow up the direction I'm giving here, definitely there is no way you will miss it. Because if you take out here, you already know that okay, you are going to look at the next support to take the buy from, which the support will be in front of you here. If you look at the chart, definitely you see the support that you will take the trade from. So that's what I'm looking at for, guys. Good. I know this explanation might be confusing for some people because the data is not yet here. That's why I said that subscribe to my YouTube channel and also join my Telegram channel, because whatever this market is doing on Monday or Tuesday next week, I will also analyze it and post it out there for you guys to see when we have enough data. So that is it, guys. Let's see how this setup will play out next week. Peace and God bless.